Faster. Creepy slow raster. Was it faster though? Was it faster? No, not really, huh? It was like, it was more snappy in responses, but like the video was lagging. So it was faster, but with shocking effects in the middle. We could try it with compression though. Like, there's no harm in trying. Oh, we can't use Chromium, we need to use Firefox. And we should also file a bug report for Chromium. Stupid Chromium. Oh, there you have it, beautiful. It's still slow as fuck. So, X forwarding with video compression. I know for a fact this is really easy to do on Wayland. Maybe we should switch. No. X forwarding so inefficient. Okay, you can file procrastinate now, I think. And you need to have a video compression, basically. That's how the commercial application did it. Xpra. Ah, there you go. Suppose I'll use this. Oh, I need to enable this as a service. Okay, I'm gonna look into this too. Sounds like a good idea. To write down my IDs. Okay. Let's actually do something. Let's do something. I wanted to show you the toast. Toast. Two toast. Is it two toast? Two toast with. Two toast with. In planning, I use it here. Right. I call it two toast as well. I'm very creative. Button, yeah. So we just used the alt2 message. Actually, we ripped this out of display results, which was displaying the messages here below. And now we just use two toast, which gives us a nice error message in the toast. Like these error messages, huh? If we plan in, start time is in the past. So we get like a double one now. And I was thinking of what the fuck should I do with this thing? Oh, there's a. Let me have something to say. This one indicates less resolution, better performance is general use to care about resolution. I actually ran FarKF. I couldn't use SSH at all because you get streams above to work well. You can with video compression. Like if you use I forgot the codec names. But if you would use well, like something that YouTube uses, right? It's possible to. But yeah, the application needs to support that. I know for a fact that like Wayland has better support for sharing desktops and whatever. I'm saying 4K needs more bandwidth. So reasonable speeds need higher bandwidth. Yeah, that's true. Yeah, it's harder because you got more shit to send. But like that's with video compression on top of it, you can also do lossy compression, right? So you can like, even though your monitor is 4K, you can like downscale it and then upscale it again, and it kind of still looks okay. Like people are not that fuzzy. with vision, as we like to believe. Can't compress well, because it needs to be low latency too. Yeah, but I mean, there are tricks. I feel it's possible, that's what I'm saying. Yeah, so I want to get rid of this thing, I think. I'm like... so what I want to do is just get rid of this thing completely and have the fields highlight the fields who are wrong. So if the start time is in the past, I want to have this one highlight, the from day, and the time maybe. I have no idea how to do that. Well, maybe I shouldn't do this and should do the crappy one. Like my big gripe with this setup is, first of all, it's doing the wrong way of doing it. That's a word. That's a sentence. Yes, but you gotta believe. It's doing what am I saying? It's doing like width validation or something. Width validation. What am I saying? Oh. It's doing... Yes, where is it? I have no idea where it is. Let's look and plan. It's somewhere in here. Display form errors, that's it. There you go. It's doing the whole event. And the whole event is bad, because it's doing layout thrashing. This is slow. Like it adds stuff to the DOM and removes it, and it needs to recompute the entire layout. But bad. Don't do that. You can get rid of it by using Toast, for example. How is Toast even display stuff? And don't forget how much CPU OBS uses. Yeah, but like if I run the browser on another laptop, then it's fine, right? Well, the browser is not even that big, to be honest. It's pretty big. Like I'm pushing this laptop to the max basically, which is unfortunate. Like I just feel that, for example, Emacs is kind of laggy at the moment. I don't like it. I feel it can solve a bunch of problems by just getting better hardware. But this setup, I stretched it to the max. Yeah, I'm gonna do that, I think. And better compile times would also be nice. Maybe we can sell the old. No, probably not. Screen doesn't even work. Need 2 PCs. Well, you can do GPU encoding, which is what I learned today. If you have a GPU. The other laptop has a GPU, but OBS doesn't start on it, so can't do that, unfortunately. Oh, we ran out of music. Well. My 1060 handles OBS okay. CPU usage is around 10%. 10% he says. Oops. What the fuck? Yeah, this laptop is not a high grade one. GPU compression has technically lower quality. I don't think I'm concerned about quality. No. Yeah, maybe I should keep this issue shorter. And yeah, like my big gripe is that it goes up. So how do I fix that problem? That it doesn't push the thing up. That's about it. So fucking ugly. Oh, you can add another column. That's the solution. Yeah, we can easily add another column because these messages are they wrap as well. Oh right, fuck. We can't add another column. Yeah, it doesn't work well on mobile. Maybe we should take enough with toast. Or only do a column if there's enough screen width. Because this is actually really small. Like, I think the small screens, like 1366 times something else, is like this. Here. You can probably fit in the error messages here. Or highlight them. Highlight them is probably best. With the toast. Support. Yeah. The past is, I think it's the only one. Repeat until. Can we do this in the past? I think the HTML stuff already blocks that. Until before start time. It doesn't block it. Should just fix it with HTML basically. It's also dependent validation, which is kind of annoying. Needs dark mode. But the app. Did they make it? I can just steal it. The pull request that affects this. Maybe fixed by. We can just use this theme, right? And we have dark mode. Fucking sass. I'm not gonna do that. I don't wanna compile any sass shit. I did it. Cool. Cool. Music playing. Rust. Money. I need to send messages to that time. We can do that. Because what are you doing? So you're getting these empty list. Oh, if you get one of these events, you got an empty list. Two list, 3 events, 1, which is all the errors. And if you get a good one, you're resetting the list. Okay. Got it. So you get like making a list of the a list of errors. So what is the square operator? That's an empty list. It's an empty list. It's not a function, it's an empty list. It's because of ligatures. It's an unfortunate ligature. You think? I like squares. They're like my favorite food. We'll make a dynamic out of this. Why? Why would I make a dynamic out of this? That's crazy. Then we can use text dyne actually. Okay, that sounds actually kind of reasonable. Why didn't I do this before? It would be kind of faster as well. Hide empty div. I'm using holy thing. So it's dying. It's error. It's an error. Error dying. Error list dying. So we start out with just an empty list, and then if we get any free event errors, we put them in the error dyne, or if we get any plan event errors, we put them in the error dyne. And if we get like a successful result, we clear the list. That's what this is. This is also an event. So, yeah, if you get a successful free event or successful plan event, they just clear it. That's how we do errors in a dyne. And because we have a dyne now, Like, I'm just getting rid of hold event. This is bad. It's bad. Don't do that. What the fuck is this? What the fuck? Hide empty div. Dev error message. I think I'm using... functions as applicative. At some point in my life I understood applicatives. And if you understand the applicatives... Oh. Hide. Hide. Empty. Nani? Oh, this is from Wilmax probably. Right. I moved this bunch of stuff to another social item. So we got these two things and we're using applicative to combine them. Hide empty div. We got a dynamic TFB, an M of A. So they're both expecting a dynamic. No. This thing is providing a monad to fill in here. And the dynamic fits in there. So you can combine them like that apparently. Because it compiles, I know. Spaceship is my favorite. Yeah, mine too. But I don't recommend this. Anyway, it apparently works. We can not do this though. On to live. Are these error messages constant? Fmap. Okay. Oh my god, what am I doing? I'm just realizing what I'm doing. It's so stupid. I'm making a din again out of it. Even though I could have just done this. Okay, this will work.